KBB.com Brand Image Awards. Only 35,024 miles. This Chevrolet Cruze delivers a turbocharged gas I4 1.4 liter/83 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, cruise control, climate control, front manual controls with air filtration system and air conditioning. This Chevrolet Cruze comes equipped with these options: engine, ECOTEC TURBO 1.4 liters VVT DOHC 4-cylinder, STD, wipers, variable intermittent with washers, windows, power with express down on all and driver only express up, wheels, 16 5-spoke painted aluminum, visors, driver and front passenger with covered vanity mirror, USB port, center console, trunk entrapment release, internal, traction control, electronic full function all speed, tires, P215/60R16 all-season blackwall, theft deterrent system incorporated, anti-theft alarm, engine immobilizer. The expert's verdict. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the 2014 Cruze gives you great fuel economy at a reasonable price, with a very stylish look to go with it. It has a strong stance and angled lines, with a split front grille, and headlights that wrap around from the front and end in a point above the fenders. On the inside, the cabin is modern, roomy and comfortable. It doesn't feel like the compacts you might be used to and is refreshingly fun to drive. There are 6 different trims available for the 2014 Cruze, including the LS, First Lieutenant, Eco, Second Lieutenant, LTZ, and the Diesel. Standard for all our features such as air conditioning, power windows, and door locks, power steering and touch controls on the steering wheel. The base model LS comes with a 1.8-liter, 4-cylinder engine that gets an EPA estimated 25 mpg city and 36 mpg highway with a standard 6-speed manual, or 22 mpg city and 35 mpg highway when you opt for the available automatic. All models higher than the LS, but below the diesel come with a peppy 1.4-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. The First Lieutenant and Second Lieutenant give you your choice of a 6-speed manual with overdrive or an automatic. The Eco comes standard with a special 6-speed manual with triple overdrive, or an optional automatic. The LTZ however only comes with an automatic transmission. Fuel economy varies for these 4 trims based on which transmission you opt for, but the best performer hands down is the Eco with the manual transmission that gets an EPA estimated 28 mpg city and 42 mpg highway. The top of the line model is the Diesel. It has a 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder engine that is 148 horsepower, and gets an EPA estimated 27 mpg in the city and an amazing 46 mpg on the highway. All that without the stinky fumes you might be used to from diesels of the past. Standard safety features on all models include anti-lock brakes, stable iTrack, traction control, and 10 airbags. Upgrade to the LTZ trim and you get the added visibility of a rear-view camera. Come drive the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze today. Visit us today for a must-own Chevrolet Cruze. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia D9T3L3. Just minutes away.